In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the left panel, you want to select where it says accounts. And then over here on the right side, scroll down. And where it says account settings, your info, go ahead and select that. And then if you have a photo already on your device, you can select the Browse Files button right here and then locate it on your device. Or you can take a photo by selecting the Open Camera option, assuming you have an attached webcam, and you can take a picture that way. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.